BMW 3.0 CSL. BMW continues celebrations of the M Division's 50th anniversary by releasing a revival of the iconic 1972 homologation special coupe. Quite surprisingly, for the 3.0 CSL designers stayed away from the current shape of the BMW grille and instead went for larger yet more traditional kidney nostrils. Further exterior specifics are a tricolor paint scheme, 20 front and 21-inch rear Y-spoke bronze wheels and Michelin tires. In terms of performance, this coupe carries the most powerful straight-six engine form BMW ever conceived for a production vehicle. The six-cylinder makes 560 horsepower and is exclusively paired with a 6-speed manual and a rear-wheel drive. Additionally, the sky-high price tag of this automotive exotica could be explained by multiple factors. Firstly, the 3.0 SCL will be limited to 50 numbered units. Secondly, its production goes through 10 days and 8 assembly cycles. And finally, the weight of saving 113 pounds comes from the use of complex carbon fiber reinforced plastic. Thanks for being with us today. Smash the like button. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News and watch more content on our channel. We will see you soon. And until then, may the torque be with you.